Hey people, I got an email from Alphanumeric asking me did I block his comment, and I don't block any comments. Sometimes I see the bell light up, and when I click on the comment, it won't show up, and that's Google Tube blocking comments. And so sometimes I could come over here to sort by and go to newest first, and it'll bring the comments up, but it's not let me view that comment. And so when this happens, I think that you started a comment and took it down yourself. Sometime I can check on my channel and go to comments and go to held for review. Sometimes I can find them in there, but you see that comment didn't come up here either. So on Brighton, have an account there, and they have their own way of censoring, so I don't load the long movies there anymore. By the time they approve them, they're a couple pages back, and I don't get many views. But on some short movies, I get more views than I do on my YouTube channel. And I ain't quite figured out how to get comments there without opening every movie and searching it. And the same on BitChute. There was a couple movies that I had up for 3 weeks before they made them visible and published. I don't know if it's a problem or if they're trying to censor some information there either. But it's the same there. I don't know any way of seeing that I got comments without opening every movie and searching the bottom of it. There's old Gary. And so the reason that Alphanumeric had my email, I would never post it a number or email up like this, because they got bots that search for these things, and then they start feeding you junk. Your phone never stops ringing. But if anybody had ever sent me a donation, if you dropped 50 cents on my PayPal button, I returned a thank you, and my email will show up on there. But I leave links to my MeWe, my Facebook, and my Gab. The MeWe is bare. It's just starting out, just a couple followers there. And Gab is really slow still, ain't quite figured it out. But no, I would never block a comment unless you were attacking somebody else. I can handle anything. I've been fighting all my life, but I'm not going to let somebody attack one of my viewers. But if somebody could tell me how to get notifications from BitChute and Brighton, I'd appreciate it. But I do prefer the comments here on YouTube, because I get notified and I can answer for everybody instead of it being private, and many people asking the same question. So it seems like the things that they block most is other web addresses or other channels or something. And if you know something, they're trying to hide it, leave a little message like this with instructions, and then between that address, if it's an address that they don't like, just disrupt it so they don't recognize it. And so when you see this, it says remove the 3 question marks between you and 2. And so somebody could just copy this and paste it, and then before search, just reach up there and remove those 3 question marks. The other thing they block is if you talk about left-wing groups like Antifa or Democrats or Jews as words you can't use. And if you use swear words like fuck, shit on, and you have to use an alternative spelling. And if you watch my movies, some alternative spellings that I understand. And earlier there, while I was showing the comments held for review, this is that comment they made me approve, and Either you can't say Q. Isn't Q computer speak a divisional tool? A techie I know told me that I looked into a little into it, and then my fish started fighting. So I don't know if you can't say fighting or you can't say Q, but they'll hold your comment for review. It's outrageous. So they warned us this day was coming. And some people will roll over and take it. Some people will learn ways to fight back.
In the 21st century, a weapon will be invented like no other.
I drank a couple beers last night with an ex-Navy man that works for the Department of Defense.
Indestructible.
And I explained to him, how the government gets a grip on people through their pension.
It will feel
They can't do anything to go against their pension.
No remorse. No pain.
And people are complaining about their Social Security benefits and they paid in for this, but you have to realize that it was a gamble and it was a loss. It's not there anymore.
You're dead, honey.
What day is it? The date!
12th May, Thursday.
What year?
All right, I'm gonna cut this off here. Good day.